Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a natural remedy tea that helps to reduce your belly fat. This is a very healthy weight loss drink and an immunity booster. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame on medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 2 tablespoons of dry mint leaves. Let this boil for 6 minutes. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. Cinnamon has a lot of medicinal properties. It is loaded with antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, reduces the risk of heart disease, lowers blood sugar levels and protects against cancer. Mint leaves are again a very healthy ingredient. They are rich in vitamins and minerals such as iron and potassium. It treats bloating and maintains blood sugar levels. It heals joint pains and swelling. It's been 6 minutes now and the essence and benefits of the ingredients are well extracted to the water. Now to this add half teaspoon of green tea powder. Let this again boil for 2 minutes. Green tea is very high in antioxidants, protects your liver, boosts brain function, prevents from cancer, promotes heart health, helps to lose weight and it is very easy to prepare. After 2 minutes off the flame and let this rest for a minute. Then strain the drink and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this 30 minutes after your lunch and dinner for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this belly fat cutter recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame on medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add 1 tablespoon of broken ragi. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. Ragi or finger millet has a lot of benefits such as it's rich in protein, natural weight loss agent, prevents your skin from aging, good for your hair, has loads of calcium, keeps you relaxed and prevents from colon cancer. After 2 minutes the water is nicely boiling. To this add 1 piece of crushed ginger. Let this again boil for 2 minutes. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this ragi ginger tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger and the ragi has come together very well. Now off the flame and finally add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, strain the ragi ginger tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this ragi ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.